Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the English class. Dear children, for today, we only have the worksheet which is make new words by adding E. If you remember in grammar, what we had actually done was from two words, we were making one word, foot, ball, right? And then it was cup, bird, which is cup plus bird. Same way, foot plus ball. So, dear children, keeping ahead with that legacy, what we are going to do is make few new words by adding E at the end. Now, these are the three letter words which are part of our word family, which we have been practicing since years and have done it. This is our third year that we will be practicing it again. Along with this, we will be having reading practice of our few other chapters, which I would like you to do the reading along with Neha ma'am. Now, what happens when we add E to the word? Even in the examination, the question that comes before us is the same one. It says, make new words by adding E. Okay, that's all that comes in the examination as well. So, my dear children, what we are going to do is we will continue with the practice of knowing new things and knowing new techniques, right? But it is important that we understand how in English few new words are made. So the topic, today's date is 21/10/2020. Topic is make new words and by adding E. Okay. So remember, we are going to be using the same thing. Question number 1. Add E to the given words to make a new word. Does it say? Add E to the given words to make a new word. So, if you see here, first of all, use this worksheet to color the pictures as well. Will help you color your strokes in the examination, and also for learning, it will be a fun activity for us to do colors. Let's read the word KIT, kit. What is this? This is the doctor's kit. As you can see, it is the doctor's kit, isn't it? There's a plus sign here. And this is a kite. What happens when we add KIT, which is a it family word? What is it? It is an it family word. Plus E, the word becomes kite. Kit is also a word. Just adding KITE becomes kite. So this is what you're expected to write here. KIT. Okay, I don't know what is happening here. KIT, which is kit, plus E becomes the word kite. KITE. What is the word? Kite. Can you see? Yes. Let's move down. Car is another word. In the exam, they will not ask you that, CAR plus E. They will just put two pictures that, okay, this is a car and this is what? As you can see on the hand, somebody is taking care. So car is a word. You add E to it, the word becomes CARE, care. You know, when mummy cares for you, she cooks nice food for you, Same way, it is important for us to remember how adding E not only completely changes the meaning of the word, also makes a new word which is belonging to another picture. Next is can. C-A-N, can, plus E makes the word cane, which is also called as chadi, lakadi. C-A-N-E, cane. Now, can is something that is used to store things, or even if you see cold drinks, right? That is, in that is what we drink. In a can, we drink a cold drink. Cane is nothing but a stick. Okay, so do remember this. This is rat, R-A-T, rat, from the at family word. Plus E makes the word rate. What is rate? When you go to a mall or a market, mummy picks up a garment or an object and she quickly tries to see the amount that that thing is for. We purchase everything for money. We are going to do money by the end of this year's chapters in maths, but important for us to know that it is also called as rate of an object. P-I-N, pin, which we use. When you add E, it becomes the word pine. Now, pine is a tree which gives a pine cone fruit. P-I-N-E, pine. That fruit is not edible. It is just a show plant. Even if that fruit is like a showpiece. Okay. Cub. C-U-B plus E makes the word cube. Isn't it? This is a maths terminology. C-U-B-E, cube. Also, please remember in the last class when we were doing yes and no questions, where I might have accidentally put in that yes, a cat can fly. It is you have to write no, it cannot. So please add that. With this, we complete the worksheet of E, that is adding E to a word. We will quickly go to our we will go to frame stream for reading purposes, as it's important that we continue reading. So we will start with frame stream again. Keep the book ready as I told you in the beginning, and keep a pencil also ready along with this. Okay, good. Now, frame stream. It is a hot day. Prem is in his garden. I don't have to tell you the meaning or tell you the hard words. You know this. You have shown the question and answers. You have done it. Revision only makes our language strong. And our primary concern in first standard and second standard is to develop vocabulary, to develop language speaking skills. He is sitting under a banana tree. It has big leaves. Prem is counting ants, as you can see. They are climbing a dead tree. 1, 2, 3. Prem is nodding his head. He is closing his eyes. Is Prem thinking? No, he is not. Remember, yes and no we did. Is he counting ants? No, he is not. Is he sleeping? Yes, he is. Soon Prem is dreaming. He's making a present. It is for his mother. Prem is climbing the dead tree. He is sitting on a branch. He's chopping it with an axe. Creak, crick, crack. Prem falls down. Prem shouts, ouch, ouch, ouch. Prem wakes up. The ants are biting Prem. How do they bite? Nip, nip, nip. Now he is dancing and shouting and running. All of these are action words, as you know, and Prem, the word is a proper noun. You know your grammar now. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, let's try to take a few questions. There is Prem. Prem is in his garden. What is Prem counting? Prem is counting the ants. Where are the ants? The ants are climbing a dead tree. What sounds does Prem make? Ouch, ouch, ouch. What happens to Prem? He falls asleep. Okay. So just a few of the questions, or the ants are biting Prem. Any of it can be the true answer for Prem's tree. Please practice reading of these chapters as I've told you, and do solve the worksheet. No worksheet has to be sent on WhatsApp. Parents, please note, nothing has to be uploaded on WhatsApp or on or mail or anything. I will be checking everything now during the interaction. We have got the ample amount of time. Things have to be in the copy. Please make sure that the child has studied, read it and prepared it well, and it will be checked, and based on that their assessment marks will be given to them. So kindly make sure that we are doing this. Dear students, study, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.